In this video, I show you how to fix you must to log into your Google Play Games account to continue this game Bus Simulator Ultimate problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Play Games, click on Google Play Games, click on Force Stop, click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache, clear storage, then delete. Now search for Bus Simulator Ultimate, click on it, click on Force Stop, click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now open Google Play Games. Now continue as. Now open Bus Simulator Ultimate. Hello. Login. Create. Now I hope that this method fixes your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.